welcome to my channel. My name is Ashlyn. Welcome if you're new, and if you're just coming back, hi, good to see you again. So today I am doing a New Year's Eve makeup look. This is easy. Also, just a little disclaimer, I am not a professional. So if you're wanting something like that, this is probably not the video that you're looking for. But this is just something that's like, I would say like a little bit more easier. So we will hop into the video. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to use is the Benefit the Professional, and this is the Matte Rescue one. So I'm first going to use this because you really need a primer to keep your makeup on throughout the entire night. I'm just going to rub this primer, make sure it's like really, mainly my T-zone, and then just like spread it out. So now I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu spray, and I am just spraying that on my face to kind of like keep my face fresh, feeling good. But now I'm first going to begin with eyeshadow because of like fallout, and especially because this is a New Year's Eve look, so I really want to make it like special. It needs to be special. I'm first going to begin by priming my eyes, and I think I'm going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Sin because this is more of like a shiny, glittery, party kind of primer, and I think this is going to go perfect for the eye makeup look that we are trying to achieve. To go in with, I've got my palettes in this drawer right here, so we are going to go in with the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill, or I think it's Morphe by Jaclyn Hill. I think that's what that means. I don't know though. This is the palette that I'm going to be using, and I absolutely love these colors. It is, I think it's like berry, oh no, it's Bling Boss. I keep wanting to call it berry, like why do I want to call it that? I can't even tell. Oh, it's called Farah. It's a Farah brush, and this is in 35E. This is actually one of my favorite brushes. I love this brush. And so I am going to go in with this color right here. It's called Hush, or no, it's called, crap. It's called Hush Hush, and as you can tell, I'm really bad at this, but you know, it's fine. So I'm going to go in with Hush Hush and start in the crease and just kind of lightly like blend this all in. So how are you guys doing? How are the kids? How's the family? Well, that's fabulous to hear. So, sorry, I keep looking at my mirror and I should really give you guys more attention. Okay, so I really wanted to go all out with like this purple color, but I'm scared. Let's go in with this color. It's called Rockstar, and we're gonna go in with this shade, and it actually makes me nervous. Like if James Charles actually saw this, he'd probably like, I don't know, he'd probably cry. Okay, so I'm just going to start in my outer corner and then like bring it into the crease. I was a beauty consultant for a while, so hopefully I know something. I'm going to keep on bringing that Rockstar color slowly in to the crease. This is what we're working with right now. And now I'm going to go in with, crap, where is it? Okay, here. It's called Mystic. I'm going to also add this to the outer corner. Into the outer corner. And then bring this in as well. Pretty. This is pretty and bold. Okay, so now I'm going to use this color. This is called Pizzazz, and it's also like it's like a pink kind of tone mixed with some red, and I'm going to apply some of this on a flat brush. This is an all-over brush. And I'm just going to bring this in from the outer corner. I'm going to use this blending brush to kind of just like blend everything in so I don't have any harsh lines. I'm going to use this brush, and this is from Luxie, and this is the 249 brush. And I'm going to go in with this, it's called Bling Bling, a shimmery shadow. Ew, you can see my face. I am going to add this like my inner corner. Sorry. Then the other side. Okay. So we're going to leave the eyes for now, and I'm going to go on to more of my face now. So I'm first going to begin with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm actually going to start this off like over my blemishes. This is actually the foundation, but I kind of use it as like concealer. Okay. So I'm now going to use, like, you can use any reviving facial spray. You can even use the Mario Badescu spray. But I'm going to spray my beauty blender. I'm just going to blend my makeup in. Just going to blend this all in everywhere. We're just going to keep on blending this in over our face. And then you could honestly leave this. This is more of like a lightweight and natural coverage, but I'm going, because it's like a New Year's Eve look, I'm going to go for more full coverage. And I actually mixed two colors, so I'm almost out, but I'm using the Mary Kay Time Wise foundation. I actually really like this, and I mixed mine with beige 3 and beige 4. So I mix these two colors, and I always look so white on camera, and I don't know why, I'm sorry. And this is how I apply foundation. Like, this is so bad. So I'm going to mix these two right here, and then apply some onto this cheek and this half of my face. See, anyone can do this, you guys. Like, literally, this is so just easy. Like, yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying, because probably only my mom is gonna see this. So hey mom, love you bunches. I am actually going to use this under eye concealer by Mary Kay, but also I have a Lancome one, and that one works pretty well also. But this one's like literally my favorite because it's made for under your eyes, and this stuff is amazing. I love it so much. Okay, so now I am just going to go in again with this beauty blender and just kind of blend this all in. So now that I've got this, I'm going to add some translucent powder. So this is by Bella Pierre, and this is like a banana setting powder. And then I also have a translucent, but I definitely think I'm going to go with the translucent setting powder today. You go in with this brush. This is a contour brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to apply this underneath, and then the excess I just like use on my face. Okay, so now I am going to start on my brows. I really want to start coming up with like a schedule kind of when I want to start posting. I'm just not sure, because some weeks I like want to post like 3 times a week or whatever. I've got one eyebrow done, not too shabby, not that great, but okay, so my brows are very uneven, but I just cannot do them. Like, brows are so hard, and I'm really trying to work on it, but they're so hard, you guys. So now I'm going to go in with the Ready Set Brow, and this is basically just a clear gel, and it just, like, keeps your brows in place. I'm gonna go in with this powder brush and kind of just wipe away the setting powder that we had underneath our eyes. This brush is by It Cosmetics, and it's just a big, like, bronzer, or maybe it's a powder brush. I'm going to use the Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm also going to grab this same brush that I used for my under eyes while using the translucent powder. And I am going to be using all three of these shades underneath my eye, but I just like mix them together. I don't know, works for me. I'm going to begin with this darkest shade right here. Did these have names I want? Because definitely don't know about that. I start at my temples, and then my nose, like right here. And then I use the excess on my cheekbones. And then my neck. So, and then I just like blend it all in. But you want to make sure that you don't go too dark. I know sometimes I accidentally go too dark. Oh, this bobby pin keeps poking out. I know sometimes I go too dark, and I definitely recommend like tapping off excess if you think you might have gotten too much or anything like that, because I feel like it is noticeable. Like, if you notice it, other people probably will as well. Now I am going to use, this is like a clutch, but it's from Tarte, and it has all of these different blushes, and I am actually a fan of blush. I think it's really pretty, especially with the pink tones that we used. I think it'll definitely look super good with this look. I'm going to use this brighter pink, and this is in Pool Float, and I'm just going to add, like, just get a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to just blend in this blush. We are going to do highlighter. That's the last thing for the face before we go back to the eyes to add mascara. So because of New Year's and everything, I think this is so pretty. It's this a light highlighter, and I actually used this this one for prom my senior year. So I'm going to add some of this and just go right above my contour. I am going to go in with some mascara, and I will see you guys when I'm done applying mascara. Okay, you guys, so I just finished my mascara. Normally I use the All Nighter Urban Decay setting spray to just set my makeup in place. So now for one of my favorite parts is lipstick. I love lipstick. I feel like you literally can like be so bold or like anything with it. Like, it's just so fun. These are the options that I thought would look really good with this look. And I'm wearing like this purple cardigan. So the first thing is this it's Crimson Glass, and this is by MAC. So this is what it looks like. This is MAC, and it's like, it's literally just purple. So that's like definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's really pretty. And then another one is this Nourish Shine Plus lip gloss, and I think this is so pretty. It's almost like an opal. Like, it's clear, but it has like this purple tint to it, and it's so pretty. And then I also thought this is a Clinique lipstick. I thought this with this on top would be so pretty, like literally gorgeous. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't want to do too much, so I'm going to go over it. Just like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe if you like my videos. And it literally would mean the world to me. So thank you so much. So I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!